Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to clear out frequently visited websites in Safari on your iPhone? Today I will show you how to delete frequently visited sites quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. When you open a new tab, you will see a list of frequently visited sites. To delete a specific site, tap and hold the icon of the site you want to remove. A menu will appear. Tap delete. To clear all frequently visited sites, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Safari. Select Clear History and Website. This will remove your browsing history, cookies, and other browsing data. And that's it, guys. You successfully deleted frequently visited sites on your iPhone Safari browser. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.